Hello, my friends from YouTube. Today we are going to be quilting the seal on the North Stars quilt piece by Candy Fletcher, and the pattern was designed by Elizabeth Hartman. So today the block that I'm going to be quilting is the seal. As you can see here, I'm outlining the seal. I think that gives it a little bit of dimension when I outline the little animals. So I'm going to be marking on this particular one a lot because I'm going to be doing some lines that need to be pretty straight and pretty. It's going to be on one side. I wanted to mirror the other side of the seal, so I have to mark this one. And I usually don't like to mark, like I mentioned, a lot, because I think the less we mark, the less we have to spray. And sometimes those marks, you gotta spray them a little bit over and over so they can go away. Here I am trying to bury this thread. And like I mentioned, I think earlier in earlier videos, I just started burying threads on this quilt because before, the way I secure the stitch was going back and forth on top of the actual stitch to secure it. But here I'm learning how to actually bury the thread. So be patient with me here. I think the best way to pull it is with the tweezers, and it comes out real easy and it doesn't poke me. So what was I gonna tell you guys? I forget. Here I am. Yeah, this is where I'm gonna go back and forth to secure that stitch, even though I already buried that thread from when I first started. And I'm gonna be using the blue light over here a little further up in the video, but I'm not really a fan of that blue light because for video purposes it looks really, every little wiggle you can see, and I'm not a fan of that. I mean, when I'm quilting it looks nice because I can see everything, but when it's on the video it doesn't look nice to me. Here I am outlining the face of the seal. I don't know about you guys, but I have such a hard time doing like an all over stitching on things like this. This is like such a well piece quilt, and this, it took a lot of time to make this look the way it does. I'm sure it did because I have pieced before, and that's how I started. I started piecing, and then I developed into quilting. But I know how hard it is to piece a quilt that looks like this one. It's very tedious. It's very precise. You have to be very precise on what you're doing. So it's like terrible when you just gonna quilt all over the face of the little animal. In my opinion, I just want to outline it because I know the quilter took such care and such a long time to make this little creature look like that. Look at the piecing. It's absolutely perfect. So when you go and quilt like all over the face and everything, it doesn't bring out the actual work of the quilter. So, or the piecer. I just struggle a lot with doing like an all over. However, doing an all over is easier on the quilter, faster, and you don't have to worry about taking so much time doing the outlining of the piecing. And I'm going to show you in a few seconds on a speed up video, the rest of the quilting for this seal. But even though it's speed up, it took a lot of time to quilt, you know, those little lines and all that good stuff. As you can see, I'm taking my time here, and I took my time on the other, on the one that is speed up. It's just you can appreciate it as much because it's on speed mode. But it does take a little bit more time. So here, this is the light that I was telling you, and I'm here doing the speed up mode. And the light is good when you're quilting because you can, you know, it makes you stay straight and try not to make any mess when you're quilting, but it just shows every little wiggle on here. But it's okay because after I turn the light off and it shows on regular light, it looks pretty nice. You just see the texture, you don't see all that thread all over the place. So you guys, I'm gonna leave you here for a little while so that you can enjoy this nice quilting, and then I'm going to be back because I am so excited about my new subscribers. I just cannot believe that you guys are watching these videos. I'm so happy that you guys are. And if you have any questions, please put it in the comments below. I appreciate every single one of you watching. So, and all the new subscribers. By the way, I'm gonna go ahead and post a little picture of their names here at the end. And you know, I'm just excited about my subscribers. So I leave you here with a little more quilting, and I'll be back to share the name of the new subscribers. Isn't she adorable? I love the way it turned out. And I want to thank Connie and Pam for the comments that they posted. I think I already responded to both of them. I didn't have a lot of comments, but that's okay. I want to thank Karen for her comment, and I want to also thank Kate. I want to welcome Joanna Liriano for subscribing, and I want to welcome Brenda for subscribing. Kathleen Ross, welcome to my channel. Sherry Wilson, 7 days ago, subscribe. I don't know this language, but I welcome this person too. And these are my new subscribers, and I welcome every single one of them. Joanna Liriano, welcome also. I have this new channel, you guys. It's called My Sewing Channel 54. I'm going to be posting here just sewing projects. At this moment, there is no content on this channel, but I will be posting some of the sewing projects that I'm going to be doing when I'm not quilting for clients. So you can subscribe, and so that way you can see the content when it first comes out. I'm going to show you a little picture right here on the link where you can subscribe. Just click on that little red button and it takes you to the channel, the new channel, My Sewing Channel 54. There it is. That's the little arrow, and that's the YouTube icon. Just click there and it'll take you to that channel. Thank you so much for watching, you guys, and I hope that you have enjoyed this video.